Welcome to Bike Lane, your source for all things motorcycle. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Honda Shadow 750, a classic cruiser that continues to blend old-school charm with modern reliability. Whether you're a seasoned rider or new to the cruiser scene, the Shadow 750 remains a compelling choice. Let's take a closer look at what makes this bike stand out in 2025. Design and style. The 2025 Shadow 750 keeps its timeless design, with low-slung lines, a teardrop fuel tank, and plenty of chrome accents. Honda hasn't strayed far from its roots, and that's intentional. This bike is all about nostalgic cruiser aesthetics, perfect for riders who love that traditional V-twin look. It's available in a few refreshed color options this year, with subtle tweaks to the badging for a more modern edge. Performance and engine. At the heart of the Shadow 750 is a 745 cubic centimeters liquid-cooled V-twin engine, known for its smooth torque and low-end power. It delivers a relaxed ride that's ideal for city cruising and open highways alike. The 5-speed gearbox and shaft drive keep things simple and low maintenance, while the engine remains fuel-injected for easy starts and consistent performance. Ride and comfort. Comfort is where the Shadow shines. With a low seat height, wide handlebars, and forward-mounted foot controls, the riding position is laid back and ergonomic. The suspension setup, a telescopic fork up front and dual shocks in the rear, absorbs road bumps well, making for a comfortable ride over longer distances. Technology and features. While the Shadow 750 isn't packed with cutting-edge tech, it offers the essentials: a clean analog speedometer, reliable braking with optional ABS, and a bulletproof reputation for durability. Honda focuses on keeping it simple, and for many cruiser fans, that's exactly the appeal. Final thoughts. The 2025 Honda Shadow 750 doesn't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, it continues to offer riders a classic, approachable cruiser with trusted performance and enduring style. If you're looking for a dependable bike with character and comfort, the Shadow is still a solid pick. Thanks for watching Bike Lane. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ride safe.